Hey everybody, welcome to Sid's Tips. And today we're going to talk about making a table in an Excel spreadsheet. And so let's just say you're making a list, in this case here, with a company name, a first name, last name, title, city, state, and you can make some other headers up on the first line. Then that's what I want to focus on today. And I am now needing to make some spreadsheets, and this will really come in handy for me. So I figured I would make a video in case others like myself are trying to make this. Now you have to have, first you have to have a header, and then you have to have at least one line under it to create this table. So we're going to go ahead and name this first one. We'll call it Tim's service, and then we'll move this, make this column wider, and we'll call it Tim Smith, and Tim is the owner. He is in Atlanta, GA. Now we're going to name this one Sid's Tips, and Sid, and then check. And now we're going to do sales, and we'll call, I grew up in New York, so New York, New York, and we'll make, let's make this one Beth's service, and then we'll name this Beth Jones. Actually, I'm going to change Tim's last name because we don't want it to be the same, so we'll call it Tim Andrews. And now we have Jones. I need to fix that. Jones. And Beth Jones is in Dallas, Texas. Oh, actually Dallas, Texas. And we'll call her assistant. Alright, so now we just made 3 here. Now obviously as you add more to it, then you'll be able to do that. And now the next thing you do is want to make the table. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your mouse, click on the A1 box. You're going to click next, Control A on your keyboard. So you want to capture that, and then Control T. And where is the data for your table? So you leave that there. You check that my table has headers and click OK. And that's it. Now you've got your table set. You'll notice every other line it goes from blue to white to blue, and I think you can also color change that. But so let's just say now you want to have the alphabetical of the first name, and you click A. You could see there everything moved in sequence on the same line, which is ultimately what you want. So this header up here really makes the difference in order for everything to move. So if I were to color code this line here, and I made this yellow, and now I were to have it go from Z to A, you could see the color coding and everything goes along. Now if I also want to, let's say, remove Beth, you can uncheck Beth, and then you can obviously put her back. And the same thing with states. So if you want the cities in alphabetical order, so you could see Atlanta is Tim, Beth, and still the color coding stays on the same line as you had it. And it just makes your spreadsheet work very well. And then of course you can add to this list, and in fact you can even create another header, and then that would fill in as well. So wanted to just share this with you, and just so I can show you, we'll call this Don's Plumbing, and we'll call him Don, we'll call it Thomas, and we'll call it manager. and we will name it Miami, Florida. Now, if I said I want to move this from A to Z, you could see Don has moved as well. So there you go. I thought I would just put this video together. If you are looking to create a sheet like this where you can create a table, have your headers, and then have all the options of unchecking, checking, sorting it, it will definitely make it easier for you when working with an Excel spreadsheet. So I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And if you find this video of help, please give it a thumbs up. Take care.